Changing your verification method on Discord can help enhance your account security and improve your experience on the platform. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon user settings at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to privacy and safety. In the user settings menu, find and select the privacy and safety tab from the list on the left side. This section contains options related to your account security and privacy. Step 4. Change verification method. Scroll down to the verification section. Here, you can choose your preferred verification method, such as enabling two-factor authentication or adjusting other security settings. Follow the prompts to make your desired changes. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your verification method, make sure to save any changes by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Save or Confirm. This ensures that your new settings are applied. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on Discord. Regularly updating your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.